YouTube entertainment. What it does is your boy Young Carter. We are out here. Finna do some housework, man. We finna get on some floors, man. Peep game. So right now we just getting the floors cleaned and situated. We're finna lay some laminate. These are the floors we're finna lay down. Yep. First, we gotta lay this out. You gotta sweep the floors really good. You know what I'm saying? Sweep all the dirt up. And then once you get the dirt and everything swept up, what's this called right here?
The underliner.
You can start laying down the underliner. Alright, so once you get your first little piece of underliner laid down, you're gonna peel back the adhesive. It's right here. You can see it, we already peeled it. There's that adhesive right there. You peel this back, lay that down over the next one. So once you get the second piece, you gotta make sure it's even with the next piece, like so. As you can see, we got it touching. Straight, there's a little gap right there, but it's all to the good. We ran out, so we gotta add some more to it. Cool beans. Once you get half of the underliner down, you can go ahead and start putting your wood together. You see right there it has little grooves. That way you can slide them on together.
I'm gonna cut half of that. I'm gonna cut me half for one. I'm gonna cut me another half. So I'll run those two. Let's keep running. Yeah, one of those halves I'll use for that. Like that.
If you got bad knees, it'll be a good thing to wear some knee pads, because you will be on your knees a lot.
Half on that.
We're finna make cuts on the wood to get the wood pieces in. Alright, so now we outside by the pool. You dig what I'm saying? We finna make our cuts on this laminate. In order to make cuts on laminate, you gotta have the professional equipment.
Putting my spacers down. That's on the floor. One expand. You have some room. When you get down towards the end, if you put it too close, you're gonna have some problems. Good?
Yep.
Sure?
Alright.
So you don't want to try to cut this long pieces that thick. Cut a little small pieces. You always want to use your guard.
After the many breaks that we have taken, this is how far along we have gotten. We ain't gonna finish the whole downstairs project, but we is gonna finish all that. Day 2, we're getting it in. Keep going. Everything coming together. Let's go, Eagles.
Go show me a floor with every line going straight across first. I'll give you $1 million.
Day 2. Day 2.